Ever wondered how the most powerful person in the world, the President of the United States, is elected? This is not your typical mark an X on the ballot kind of election. The US presidential election process is a fascinating journey, a unique blend of democracy and tradition that has evolved over more than 2 centuries. It's a complex, multi-step process that truly embodies the spirit of the nation. So are you ready for an adventure into the heart of American democracy? Let's delve into the mystery of the US presidential election process. To start off are the national conventions, a grand spectacle where the party officially nominates its presidential candidate. These are grand assemblies where delegates from each state come together to cast their votes. The process is steeped in tradition and pageantry, but at its core, it's a democratic process. Every delegate vote counts. During these conventions, the party's platform is also discussed and ratified. This platform outlines the party's positions on key issues, setting the stage for the election campaign. Now, it's important to remember that the conventions of each party may operate a little differently. Some may use a simple majority vote, while others may require a 2/3 majority. The highlight of the convention is the acceptance speech given by the nominated candidate. This is their moment to rally their party and outline their vision for the country. With the candidates officially nominated, we move on to the main event, the general election. The general election, the moment of truth where the American people cast their votes. This is where the American people play their part directly. But it's not as simple as a straightforward head count. You see, the United States uses a system known as the Electoral College. The Electoral College comprises 538 electors, and these folks are the ones who officially elect the president. Each state is allocated a number of electors equal to its total number of senators and representatives in Congress, a system that gives both populous and smaller states a voice. Now, the number of senators and representatives is equal to 535, so there are 3 extra seats in the Electoral College which belong to Washington, D.C. When people cast their votes in November, they're actually voting for a slate of electors pledged to their chosen candidate. The candidate who secures the majority of a state's popular vote typically wins all its electoral votes, a method known as the winner-take-all system used by most states. The magic number is 270. Whichever candidate reaches this number of electoral votes first wins the presidency. In case there is a tie, then House of Representatives elects the president and the Senate elects the vice president. After electing the president, the Electoral College is of no use, so it is dismissed. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments.